What's up, everyone? We're here at Crown Dodge in Ventura taking a look at a 2018 white Ford F-150 XL Super Crew Cab. That's four doors. You're going to love this F-150 with less than 50,000 miles on the odometer. This pickup provides great value. Take a closer look at this full-size light-duty pickup that leverages military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel to produce class-leading towing and payload capabilities. It's a one-owner, clean CarFax, 6-speed automatic transmission with a 3.3-liter V6, 290 horsepower. It gets 20 miles per gallon in the city, 25 on the highway. Backup camera, trailer sway control, dynamic hitch assist. It has 5,000 pounds of towing capacity, a payload of 1,700 pounds, a drop-in bedliner, split folding rear seat. This thing's awesome. If you want to take a test drive, give us a call or direct message us here at Crown Dodge in the city of Ventura.